Welcome again to Michael Akala channel. I'm so happy today. I don't know why I'm so happy, but I'm so happy. Yeah. This month of March is my birthday month. That's why I'm happy. Yeah. And the month is still young, but the month is almost going. It's going very fast. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 is going. Alright, people. So please, I want us to get what I have to tell us today. Now, you may wonder, what did I want to even say today? Today, I would love to give my own personal experience in the web monetization for the passion economy, and I'm going to be streamlining it into about 2 or 3 pieces so that we can just discuss about them and tell you. So in the next 10 minutes or within the next 10 minutes, I will be able to pass my own idea to each and every one of us. And I thought it wise to give us this because I believe majority of us really should have this and get my own part of the story, what I think and what I feel. So right now, I'm going to be talking about my summary on finding about web monetization and InterLedger. Now let me start about web monetization. So let me just give a bit summary about web monetization. Before the advent of web monetization, this is which I've taught every one of us how to integrate it and all of that. Before this advent of this web monetization that I just begin to teach everyone the latest standards, we already have those popular models like for content creators like you and myself, in which they are able to create their own revenue model. Like they do Google AdSense, they do subscription, sponsor content, talk about affiliate marketing, privacy invasion, and this privacy invasion, all these kind of these things tools in monetizing your content are also expensive. You have to pay to get all of those content monetized. But now with the advent of web monetization, you don't need to do all of those payments and all the rest. Now, one most crazy thing, I don't need to use that word crazy, please. One most crazy thing about this old model, I call them old model because web monetization is the new model, is the latest model and new one. So no matter, even though they're still using it, they say latest model. Like iPhone now, I say iPhone 12. People using iPhone 11, they are old model people already. But that iPhone 13 come out now, people using iPhone 13 will be the latest, and iPhone 12 will become a stay, old model people. So right now, I'm gonna be calling every other means of monetizing your content as old model. So permit me to use that word old model. When I just say old model, just understand that I'm looking about the normal and well-known conventional means of monetizing content by majority of the people. So that is why I'm here again to give you this, so that you can understand what I'm actually talking about and understand my own perspective based on my findings, based on my experience about web monetization. Now, I'll also be releasing a video shortly after this. I'm going to be talking about my what I've gained, my earning from web monetization, and you can just see without spending any money. But for today's video or today's lecture, I'm going to be giving you my own summary on web monetization findings. Now, let me tell you this. One basic thing about web monetization. Web monetization is the best way to monetize your content as a content creator. And now with web monetization, it provides an open, native, efficient, and automatic way to compensate creators. Who is the creators? You and myself, who are called content creators. Pay for the API calls and support crucial web infrastructure in real time. I love that word, in real time. It means you are getting benefits in real time for your content that you are releasing out to people. Now, looking at this, that makes it very interesting. And the funniest thing is that people visiting your content are the one even paying you this money. They don't know they are even paying you, provided they have access to the internet and they are on your content, they are paying you. Now, let me now give you a summary about the InterLedger of a thing. Now, InterLedger is an open protocol suite for sending payment across different ledger. I said in my previous video, I make you to understand that InterLedger is like your what? It's like your bank accounts where money is entering into. So it's always connected to any of your content you are monetizing. That's your InterLedger. You need the InterLedger wallet to get all these micro payments your user your user, which is those who are visiting your content, who are consuming your content, to get them so they can be paying into that your account, into your InterLedger wallet. Now, like the internet, connectors, router, packet of money across independent networks. So let me now go back and start giving us different story. I'm going to be explaining this in the most minimal language that everyone can understand, no matter whether you are new to those terminologies or not. So please, if you want to get the grammar and the terminology, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. Just click on the link. It's going to land you to my article, which I've compile all I'm saying here on the article. That will just take about 6 minutes, but I'm saying this to break down all those ambiguous words for easy understanding and for clarity purposes. As you all know, I break everything that needs to be breakable for everyone to understand from the scratch. That's why I can even call myself a scratch creator. Alright, let's move on. Now, let's talk about this IntelliJ operating. It has an open architecture and minimal protocol enable interoperability for any value system. So the interoperability simply defines that you're able to receive payment from people without interrupting the process of them enjoying your content. For instance, let me give you an example. When you're watching a YouTube video, for example, you're watching for about an hour, and as you are watching it, you as the viewer, you want to pay the content creator of that YouTube video the normal old conventional way. You will see after 5 minutes, you just see an advert that will pop up and be counting by the side 5 seconds, and that advert will be counting 5 seconds for you to just change. Now imagine what has happened. Can you imagine that? It means that you are going to be paying that kind of amount, so you are going to pause it, interrupting you in enjoying the content you are supposed to be enjoying. That is interoperability. But with web monetization, there is not any form of interrupting. You don't interrupt any person. Now the IntelliJ is a wallet architecture that has break that barrier of interruptibility of your user who is enjoying your content. And now it's important for us to also know that the IntelliJ is not tied to a single company, neither is it tied to a blockchain or currency. It's not tied to any of that. It simply means that you can get paid irrespective of anywhere you are in this planet Earth. Whether you're in Jupiter's space, anywhere you are, as far as you're on this Earth, you can get paid through this IntelliJ wallet. Why? Because of its simplicity and because it has an acceptable currency that is globally accepted. So now, and by the way, if you want to know more about IntelliJ, don't forget I call this summary. Check on my previous video. Also check on the link for another if you want to get it about the best way to monetize your content as a content creator. 2021 best strategy. You're going to be getting all of this information, in-depth information there. I'm talking about summary, so I want to really keep it cool, simple, and short. Now, I would like to give us 5 future opportunity for web monetization. Now, when you adopt web monetization now at the earlier stage, what are the benefits you stand to enjoy? Number one benefit you stand to enjoy is that web monetization will be the most adopted standard protocol for any money for all content creators worldwide. Now, you're wondering, how does that affect me? You are starting the process of adopting this system right now. By the time other people start coming into the system, you are now all in the system and you have made more money than them. Give you a short example, like the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, for instance, came out 2009, and when Bitcoin came out 2009, few people who were able to adopt Bitcoin then, they are the millionaires of today. They are the ones that have millions of Bitcoin. One Bitcoin now, you know how much Bitcoin in Naira? It costs over 22 million Naira. In dollars, it costs over about $15,000. Now imagine over $3,000 to about $15,000. Now imagine if I had taken the opportunity then, 2009, I would have been a multi-millionaire now. So it means that if you do that now, it's going to be, everybody now is adopting Bitcoin. That's what web monetization is going to stand for in the nearest future. Now, the second opportunity for you to jump into web monetization right now, adopt it right now. The opportunity you get and the enjoyment you get is that user or content consumer will get tired of privacy invasion. So users who are visiting content and consuming content will get tired of all this Google AdSense, all this subscription, all this sponsor content, all this affiliate marketing. They will get tired of it because they will just get tired of it. They will start using Google ad blocker that will be blocking those ads. By so doing, you will not be getting enough revenue from your content. Now, it's going to make things really look somehow looking bad. Now, this will lead to people dumping all these old model. I'm going to use old model. I've explained old model means. As I'm embracing web monetization because the both parties will enjoy from web monetization. What are both parties? As a content creator, you will enjoy because they'll be paying you, and you can even compensate your viewers, your users, those who are consuming your content. And imagine anyone who is compensated for consuming what he or she derives pleasure in. You know, don't you understand that we want to even visit it more and want to keep watching and watching and watching it more to get compensated. So articles don't want to keep reading it to get compensated. It's a video content, you want to keep watching the video to get what? To get paid, to get money. And don't forget, everyone wants to make money, and some people can even see it as their own means of making money. So you can begin to play their YouTube video on stop. They want to make money from it because you know once they do that, stream of money will be coming to them. Don't do it, and by the way, you are also making money. You see, web monetization, somebody cannot open a laptop and do that. I've done that in time past, and other people can do the same thing. So that is why it's important. The third opportunity is that early adopters of web monetization would have earned so much from web monetization before any other content creator discover web monetization. So right now I'm already earning. So you that have not integrated web monetization into your content, or you who is not a content creator, you can start being a content creator right now. Go to my YouTube channel, look at my videos. It teaches you from the scratch to be a content creator. If you have any question, ask me and I will answer you. I done this course from the scratch. It means whether you are existing or you are a newcomer, you can get this idea from the scratch. The fourth point I would like to make mention of is talking about every entity, be it a content creator or a content consumer, will be earning from shopping the web by web monetization, which I've explained. It means that a lot of content creators will continue to reward their users so that the users can be encouraged to keep visiting their content even after they've consumed the content at the first time, at the first contact, at the long run. But to be coming back to consume the content the more, and the more they consume the content, you as a content creator get paid, and your people, which is your community, will also be getting paid for viewing your content. Imagine you will successfully build a community. See, check my video, the 2021 best strategy. You're gonna be seeing best way to monetize your content. You're gonna be seeing your potential earning in a year if you adopt web monetization now. Now calculate it in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. You will be earning over 4 million naira by adopting web monetization. Don't tell anybody I told you that. I'm telling you in naira. In dollars you'll be earning, I don't even know, but go and check it. Check out that video, you will see your potential earning. My goodness, you'll be earning a lot. The last one opportunity I want to make mention is about white collar job. We go into extension because every individual will be comfortable doing what they enjoy and still get paid. Doing what they enjoy here means they are doing what they are having fun, and yet they are equally generating income for themselves. Example, as a content creator that is a game content creator, of course playing game is pleasure. It's pleasurable and you are deriving joy and happiness playing your game. And as you are playing your game as a content creator, you know that some people will be watching your game, and as they are watching their game, which they are also enjoying it, you are getting paid. It will also be getting paid. As a YouTuber, the video I'm doing, doing what I'm doing. That's why I keep doing it. I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I'll be getting paid, and you watching, you also be getting paid. Why don't you adopt web monetization now? If you have any question, ask me. I will hold your hand from scratch to the end. If you love videos, I have videos. If you love articles, I have articles. So you have the two of them to help you. Whatever you want, I personally will create time to assist and give you your response. If you have any difficulties, I will give you response. I will put you through. Just put your comment in the comment section, whether on my blog post, on my article, or even on my YouTube channel, Michael Kala's channel. If you've not liked Michael Kala's channel, please click on the like button now. Like this video if you find this video interesting, and click on the subscription button if you want to get notification of my next video. Now, quickly, I want to talk about building a web monetization. I'm going to be talking about builders. Now, as a builder, Web Monetization has not left you out. As a developer, application developer, Python programmer, JavaScript, whatever you do, HTML, all of you, I have something for you. For you to be a builder, you know that the Web Monetization or application builders or developers will be encouraged to build more multifunctional applications that will solve several kinds of problems. And by so doing, human beings will only relax and continue to enjoy themselves, whereby relieving this application or robots to begin to do virtually everything for we human beings while we enjoy and stay calm. Don't forget I told you that regular job will go into extinction. People who are working in a bank, wear suit, wear tie, you just stay in your house, wear shirt the way I'm wearing shirt, and enjoy yourself, and your money is coming in. Just stay in your system, add data connection, and you are making your millions of naira. So Web Monetization, so developers will be encouraged to create more apps. You know that the app they create now is getting to the market and it's going to make money. Then the second one is this: builders will be encouraged to build more because they are aware that they will always earn from every project that they bring out. So they will have an app that will solve about 6 problems that are called multifunctional apps. And the last one which I want to talk about is building a community as a creator. Content creator can build a community. Building a community will only come from when a creator has a lot of followers. Now, who are keen or always delighted in the content of their favorite creators? Some people love watching games so that they can get experience from the game and also play their game. So if you're a gamer who making use of Switch, you're going to love it. So if you know you love to play games, you want to monetize your game live. If you know you want to monetize your game that you are playing, I want you to leave I want you to leave your comment below. If you want me to create a video tutorial that will teach you how to monetize your game on Switch, I want to place. Tell me in the comment section. I'm going to create that. So the more number of people I get who says they want it to be created, I'm going to act on that and create that. So I will need more people to tell me they want to know what they want me to make a video for them how they can monetize their game content. So the more you are, the more. So if you know you are not much, just send this video to your friends who would love me to explain how to do that for them. When you send it to them, tell them to subscribe to this channel and also like this video, and I will be doing this for them. Alright, the next point I want us to understand that when you build a community, your community will follow you. They'll be happy to follow you. Because why? They enjoy consuming your content. They will follow you on Facebook, they'll follow you on Instagram, follow you on all your social media, on STU, on Twitter, anything. You're building a community. They will follow your YouTube channel. You're building your community. By so doing, they will want to be looking at your next release, your next post. And as a content creator, keep looking at new things in which you can give your content consumer, which are your community. By so doing, you become an influencer, a popular fellow for that matter. I personally have my own community on all the above platforms I've made mention of. I have my community and my community is still growing. STU is another one that I'm going to be talking about how to monetize. It's like Facebook. I'm going to be talking about that shortly in my next video, so watch out for that. Most exciting moment during my African app, Web Monetization for the passion economy is, let me say this, sincerely speaking, the part I really enjoy is, I would say I enjoy every bit of this Web Monetization program. Seriously, I enjoy every bit. Now, from the tribal section is where we have games, we play, and we also get money from playing our game. From writing of my articles, from researching, from web monetizing my content, YouTube, Astnode, community, and diverse platform monetizing them, website and the rest, getting my domain name, all of those things. It is so interesting, so fantastic. I work with so many people from different parts of the country, different parts of Africa, some in Kenya, some in Ghana. I saw different people, talked to so many people. So it was so fantastic and very lovely. So let me tell you something, guys. I would love you to participate in the Startbox Africa Hackathon. I sincerely want to encourage every one of you to join this Startbox Africa Hackathon. Click on the Startbox Africa Hackathon to join it. If the link is closed, just click on the Discord community, join our community on Discord, and you are going to be put through. Once you follow all the procedure, like it. Look for me on the community at Mikolo07. I'm going to be getting whatever you need. I'll be telling you what you want. I'll put you through, and we also have people who are going to put it into. Now, my vote of thanks. Seriously, I'm going to be giving my vote of thanks to my vote of thanks. Seriously, maybe thinking what's the vote of thanks in a video like this or in an article or whatever. But seriously, my vote of thanks goes to the Almighty God first and foremost, and also to Mr. Ushe BK. Mr. Ushe BK is the founder of African Arts. He provided a platform for me and the rest of my colleagues to be able to come together and learn about web monetization, and also being able to earn from web monetization. He made this possible, and that is why I'm inviting you to the community so that you can grow and build your skill. If not for African Art, I wouldn't understand about web monetization. I wouldn't be a master the way I am. I wouldn't be a teacher of web monetization. But because of this, I've been able to get this, know this, and I'm telling every one of us, then you're also learning from me. Seriously, I want to thank every one of you who have taken your time to watch this content to the end. Please, if you have any question for me, leave it in the comment section below. I will be doing my best to answer you as quick as possible. Please let us keep ourselves positive. No abusive languages should be used. And please also like this video if you enjoy this video content, and also click on the subscription bell if you enjoy this content. See you some other time, and watch out for my next release. Have a nice day.